you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug, a hug.
Get your Jim Gilbert's Advantage. Full tank of gas, every vehicle, every time.
'Cause that's our whole appeal.
At Wheels and Deals, our vehicles are the best in class serviced, so you can have worry-free driving for a long, long time.
We are Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your
Our free nitrogen program helps with longer lasting tires and gives you better gas mileage. That's part of your Jim Gilbert's Advantage.
We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals. We'll give you a hug.
Check out all the options and savings on these slightly used vehicles.
We love ya. You're a customer.
All our vehicles come with a free Carfax report, the most trusted name in the automotive industry.
The way we feel. We'll give you a hug, a friendship. 'Cause that's
Our motor vehicle inspection guarantee is 200% above industry standard. The safety of your family is important to you and us.
our whole appeal. We are Canada's
Lulu, do you know that all our cars are professionally detailed? Yes, some people even say we have cleaner cars than new.
huggable car dealer. Help you find your car for a deal.
Everybody loves the singing Hanwell Bears. Yes, you get them too.
Canada's huggable car dealer.
Hey Lulu, did you know that when you purchase a vehicle through Wheels and Deals, we'll provide you with free job loss protection through Walkaway? Lulu might not be excited, but you will be.
Gilbert's Wheels and Deals. We'll give you a
You know what everybody likes about Wheels and Deals? Everybody loves their birthday gift every year. Yes, they do. In the mail, they get a birthday gift every year. And don't forget about our 2-key guarantee. All our certified vehicles, 2 keys guaranteed.
because we love ya.